Hey, I'm so glad you joined me today. Why don't you get comfortable, and I'm going to teach you how to take a frozen pork and cook it in the Instant Pot. And it's going to be an amazing pulled barbecue pork for sandwiches for tomorrow. I have already placed salt, pepper, and garlic powder all over my pork roast, so I'm going to place it inside my Instant Pot. And I put it on top of the trivet. I'm going to add 1.5 cans of Dr. Pepper. I've turned the Instant Pot on manual high, and I want to cook my frozen pork roast for about 30 minutes per pound. This is about 3.5 pounds, so I'm going to do it for 110 minutes. After it's cooked, we will allow it to do a 10 to 15 minute self-release, and then we will do a quick release. Our Instant Pot is cooked for 110 minutes. Now it's doing a slow self-release. I'm going to do a quick release. It's been going for 19 minutes on the self-release, but let's do a quick release and go ahead and check our roast. The little silver button is dropped down, so it's safe to open up our Instant Pot. Ah, that smells so good. I emptied out the juices from the roast and the Dr. Pepper, and now I'm going to put the meat back in. Now I'm going to add some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Now, if we were going to eat this tonight, I would not have canceled the warming mode on here. I would have left it to warm for 20 or 30 minutes or until we're ready to eat dinner. It's the next day, so we're looking forward to our barbecue pulled pork for lunch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put enough in this bowl to heat up just for me and my husband. I don't know if he's going to want to eat 1 or 2 sandwiches, so we will make plenty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down in the Instant Pot on top of the trivet. I already have a cup of hot water in the Instant Pot. So we set that in there. Now we're going to turn this on manual. It's on high. I've got it set for 9 minutes. And we're going to let it heat up, and then we will have our lunch. The Instant Pot has released. We're going to check out our barbecue pork. Hey babe, the barbecue's ready. Would you like to try it?
Sure. Very hot. Tastes really good.
Yay! This is how easy it is to go from the freezer to an Instant Pot to a bun to have an amazing pulled pork barbecued sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, show me some love by hitting that like button. And if you're not already following me, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.